So as we've been learning more and more about concussion, it's almost like we've come out from the dark ages and we know that concussion really is treatable. But it has to be treated properly. So it means that once you report immediately, and then you're surrounding yourself by people who can care for you. So it includes the medical team, but it also includes your support system, your coaches or your teammates or your family or your friends. And when all of the pieces come back together, when you're doing your return to play, your return to academics progression, it might not happen immediately. It might take 2 weeks. Sometimes it takes 4 weeks. It might take longer. But there's not a need to rush, just like in any aspect of life. When there's been any kind of adverse life event, whether it's an injury or an illness, or an emotional traumatic experience, what's key is to do what's necessary to heal. And we know that when you do what's necessary to heal in concussion, well, you heal. That's a message of hope. So concussion isn't some sort of hidden illness that we don't know anything about. In fact, there has been so much research and study of concussion in the past 10 years that we understand a lot. And the key thing is that our understanding has led to better management. It's led to a much greater understanding of how the brain works. And that allows all of us, physicians, coaches, family members, stakeholders, athletic trainers, all other clinicians, to stand unified in a message of hope. Concussion, yes, it can be serious, and concussion, yes, it's treatable, you can heal, and you can return back to what's important in your life. That's our hope. That's our message.